Do you want to make chicken pie for business or for your family that will come out looking this nice and delicious, but you don't have an oven to do that? Then you want to worry no more, because in this video I'll be showing you how to make your delicious chicken pie from scratch, even without an oven, and I'll be showing you how to achieve various shapes even if you don't have a chicken pie cutter. So you want to watch this video to the end. To make chicken pie, you would need your chicken. You can use any parts of your choice, but this is chicken breast. I like to use this because it contains lots of flesh. After watching carefully, next you want to add your chopped onions. Please don't use your hands like this. You want to use a chopping board so that it does not cut your hand. Don't be like me, okay? So now you want to add your curry, add your thyme. Next you want to add your seasoning cube, and I added this paste ginger and garlic. Next, add your seasoning powder. You want to use any one of your choice, and add your salt. I'm going to cover this now and take it to my stove top to boil. I'm not going to add water to it yet because it's going to release its own juice. Then later on I'm going to add water to it. While your chicken is still cooking, you want to prepare your dough, and this is 4 cups of flour. And don't forget to sieve your flour before use, because this helps to make your flour to be light and it removes any forms of impurity. Don't overheat your cup either, so that you get your accurate measurement. Next, add your baking powder and sift like this to remove any dirt from it. Now you want to add your sugar. Don't worry, the full list of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description area. You want to check that out. Next, add your salt and mix till they are well combined. Now get your butter or your margarine. This is 250 grams of margarine and it is very cold. It is frozen, that's why it is hard like this. So I'm using this grater now to soften it up so that I can work fast with it. So now after I'm done grating, I'm going to add it now into the flour and massage it very well. Mix it till it becomes like breadcrumbs, or it becomes like your gari. If you are here in Nigeria, you know what gari is. So if you want to achieve flaking chicken pie, then don't mix this part. You want to make sure your butter or your margarine is cold. I have a different video where I showed you how to use your butter or your water in room temperature. That is for your meat pie. Meat pie and chicken pie, no much difference. It's only the chicken that is the difference. So you can go and check that video out to see that. And now we are done mixing. Can you see how this is looking? It's looking so much like your gari and it's looking like your breadcrumb. This is the texture you want. Now you want to open a well at the middle. Just open a well at the middle like this, and you are going to break in these 2 eggs. So now cover it up and mix it very well. Massage it in properly, because this egg helps to reduce the amount of water you are going to add to your flour. So be careful when adding water, okay? Just give this a good massage till they are well combined. Can you see how this is now? You don't need to add too much water here. This is the water I'm going to add to it. Take note, I did not add all that water, and that is cold water. You're going to add just 2 tablespoons of water, okay? And make sure you use cold water. If you don't have fridge in your house or you don't have lights, just go outside and buy cold water, okay, before you do this. If you want to achieve that eatery standard chicken pie, you must use cold water and cold butter. That's how you can achieve that, okay? So now use your hand now to mold this together, combine them, press them together like this so that it's going to form a dough. Don't add extra water to this. Don't be tempted to do that, because this is going to come together like this. If you add extra water to it, you spoil everything. So just continue to do it like this and it's going to come together. So next, wrap in a plastic bag like this, either with your cling film or in a Ziploc bag. Anyone you have is fine, and put it in your fridge or in your freezer to rest for like an hour. So while your dough is resting, at this point your chicken should be ready. So now bring it out from your pot and debone it and shred it. Now you want to remove anyone that has skin from it, because you don't need that skin part. Okay, so just shred your chicken and remove any bones. You don't want to be eating chicken pie and you're eating the bones in it. It's not nice. Feel free to use a small knife like this to cut your chicken into smaller pieces if your fork is giving you a tough time. So next, you want to make your chicken pie filling, and to do this you want to prep your veggies, and I'm using this scraper now to scrape my carrots. I'm going to show you how to cut your carrots into smaller sizes so that you don't have chunky carrots in your chicken pie. I showed you in my meat pie video how to do this, but I'll be showing you a different style for you to do this in this video, so you want to keep on watching. Now get one of the carrots you've already scraped and cut it like this at the middle, and after you are done cutting the middle, then cut the side again. Just cut the side again like this and turn it to the other side and cut the side and cut the middle again. And when you are done, just gather everything together and start chopping them, and you're going to see that the sizes are going to come out small. If you didn't get that, look at this one again. Can you see? I cut it at the middle. Can you see? After that, then cut it at the side again. When you're done cutting at the side, then cut it at the side again. Then you are going to turn it to the other side and cut at the middle like this, and cut again at the side just like this. And when you are done, can you see that it's already having that square shape there? So just join everything together and cut it there now on your chopping board. You are seeing, can you see that you are having a uniform shape carrot now? So even though you have a big size of carrot, it's not as small as this. You can still do this. You can do this with any size of carrot you have. So cut it at the side, then cut it at the middle, and then cut it at the side again. So even though you don't have a vegetable cutter, you can do it like this, and you're going to achieve that uniform size of carrots that is not chunky. It's going to come out small and it's going to come out fine. Can you see how fine this is? Yes, so just do it like this. You are going to have that perfect carrots. Can you see how fine this is? Can you see the shape? And it does not take time. Before you know it, you are done cutting. So these vegetables can really be time consuming, but when you have tactics to it, you have techniques to it, you are going to come out well and fast. Now to cut your green beans, just add everything up together. Just join it like this. You want an easy life. You don't want to stress yourself in the kitchen and you'll be tired. So can you see that also came out well? So now we are done cutting our veggies. It's time for us to fry. So now to fry, you want to add your onions to your oil and give it a stir. Next, you want to add your carrots, because the carrot is the hardest of all your veggies. After adding your carrots, you want to continue to stir also. And next, you want to add your seasonings. You're free to add your seasoning of your choice. Now you want to add your curry and add your seasoning cube, and next you want to add your salt. Just add according to your taste, okay? Next, add your green beans, and feel free to use any veggies of your choice because you are the master chef of your kitchen. Okay, now you want to add your spring onions and give everything a good mix. Now add your chicken to it. So give this a good mix so that everything can be properly combined. Next, get your cornstarch and mix it inside water, because you're going to add it into your veggies, into this filling. You're going to add it into it, but I forgot to buy cornstarch, so that's why I'm using my flour. This is flour mixed with water. So if you don't have cornstarch, don't worry, you can do this and it's still going to come out well. Just put your flour in water and mix it together, and then add it into your mixture like this, and it's going to come out well. It's going to give you that soft feeling. Don't skip this part so that you don't start eating chicken pie that is just there. Okay, if you've made it this far, congratulations to you. Well done, because it's time to make our chicken pie. Before then, let's make the egg wash, because you are going to use this on your chicken pie when you are done making it. To make your egg wash, you need egg. You can either use the whole egg or you can choose to use just the yolk, and you're going to add water to it. Just egg and water, that is what egg wash is, in case you don't know what is egg wash. Now add your water to it and give it a good mix, and you are done. Next, you want to bring out your dough from the fridge or from the freezer. At this point, it should have been properly rested and suitable for you to work with. It should be very cold by now. I left mine more than 1 hour, and it's this hard. It came out this hard, but it's all good because it's going to make you to have a fluffy meat pie when you are done making it. So now I'm going to take out the plastic wrap and cut this into two. I'll keep this half back inside the freezer to keep it cold while I work with the other half. Now you want to sprinkle flour on your work surface to make your work easy when you are rolling. You want to make sure you roll your dough flat like this. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use bottle, you can use anything available for you to use. And after rolling it flat like this, now pick it up and take it to your meat pie cutter. If you have this, perfect, but if you don't have it, I told you can. I'm going to show you how you are going to do this even without a meat pie cutter. Okay, so if you don't have it, just place your filling like this inside your dough like this and cover it. Just cover it the way you would cover this your meat pie cutter, and seal it with your egg wash like this. And at the end, you can use your fork to just seal the tip. Okay, so now if you are using your meat pie cutter, you are going to do it like this and take off the excess one and open up. When you open it, you're going to see how fine this is going to come out. Can you see how fine this is coming out? It came out so well. So now let's do this again. In case you didn't get the first explanation, just listen carefully and watch closely. Now after rolling out your dough, now add it to your cutter and add your filling. Be generous, but do not add over so that it does not burst out. And add your egg wash. Use your egg wash to seal the tip and press it gently like this. Now you want to cut off the excess ones and open up like this. Voila, can you see how fine our chicken pie is looking? This is looking pretty. And don't forget to use your fork like this to put those holes at the top, so that when your chicken pie is baking, it can have enough room to breathe out. Okay, so do the same thing for the first one. I forgot to do that for the first one. And I'm going to use this pot cover to bake. If you don't have an oven, this is how you can do it. Just get your parchment paper like this and use it to cover the cover of your pot and place your chicken pie on it and bake. Now come closer, let me show you how you can achieve another shape from that first chicken pie you made. Now you want to use your finger like this to put holes on those places that the meat pie cutter sealed. Just press it like this one by one, and you're going to see the fine shape this is going to make. This is another shape we've gotten, and don't forget to put those holes at the top. Yeah, can you see how this one came out? It's another different shape you've gotten even without the cutter. Now let me show you another shape again. After rolling out like this, you want to use your knife. You can use your pizza cutter if you have that. Now you want to cut out those parts, those excess parts that are rough. Yes, just cut out the 4 areas and watch what you are going to do. So now after cutting, you want to add your filling to the middle. You can make this smaller, but mine is big. So after adding your filling to the middle, you want to add your egg wash to the sides and cover up like this. Just take it like this and seal it at the other end. Now you want to press this tightly. Just be gentle when you are doing this. So press it gently and it's going to seal. Next, use your fork to press it down like so, and it's going to help it to seal properly. Don't forget to do this with your fork. And can you see how pretty this came out? Can you see how fine that shape is? Now let's do the final shape. Now get a round cover like so. Anything you have in your house, a cup, a plate, anything at all that has round shape, and use your knife to draw out this round hole on the surface of your dough, and just draw it out like this, and you're going to have this round shape. Now you want to take out the excess ones. Next, you want to add your filling at the middle like so. So now you want to repeat the same thing you did to get that first round shape. You want to repeat it again, and when you are done, now take out the excess one like this. Next, you are going to use your egg wash to rub the surface like this. Just do it this way. And when you are done, you're going to use it to cover the first one you did that has filling on it already. Now you want to use your finger to close it gently like so. Next, use your finger to press it down like this, just the way you did for that first one with the meat pie cutter. So you want to use your finger to press it like this. Just press it round, press it in round like this, and you are going to have a nice shape. So now to bake, you want to add your egg wash to the surface of your chicken pie so that when you are done baking, it's going to have that golden brown color. And these are two badges I made. So this is the second badge. I also added the egg wash to it so that it's going to come out well when it is done. Can you see how pretty chicken pie came out? This does not even look like it is not baked without an oven. Look at the back, it did not get burnt. So can you see the different shapes we made? It came out so well. So if you want to start this business, you don't have an excuse not to do it. Even though you don't have an oven, you can do it this way. And remember, I baked for 1 hour. Okay, so this came out so well. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Can you see that the filling came out so well? Yes, this is a must try. If you are going to try this, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question, please don't forget to leave it for me in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to your question. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm Faith Uche. I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah.